Hi guys, welcome back to the second video. This is variant 2 of the Earthshock Cybergun from Doctor Who. This is, slightly different design to the original, which is obviously screen used as well. So yeah, let's start. So we've got all these pieces we need to put together. It's really quick and easy. This is the midsection, and this is where I like to start. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do different to what I did to the last video, which is I'm going to put stuff at the front first. One thing I wanted to say is, if you wanted a bespoke version of this, something where you can pass LED lights through to light up the red section, give a bit of lighting at the front, please just reach out to me. I can certainly create a battery compartment with channels for LED lights and things like that in there. Not a problem at all. Just reach out to me. I'm very, very reasonably priced. I don't like people being ripped off basically for models. I'm not asking the earth for these things, but also it's nice to have a little reward at the end of the day, isn't it? So yeah, if you like anything you see here, leave a comment, like, share, subscribe, do all the necessary. Pop and have a look at my other models on Etsy and Cults3D, and let's see if this is something you like. So yeah, Doctor Who Cybergun variant 2. Here we go. So I'll stick it on its end, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this piece and this piece, and they are keyed together. So we're going to pop it in like such, dead easy, no problems there. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a bit of glue here around this thin edge here, and that will allow this to stay. There we go, bit around there, bit around there. There's not an awful lot needed. If you're doing use this for cosplay, probably recommend putting a little bit more on than I actually am. I'll put a bit of activator on there, and oops. See how good they fit together? They just fall off. Right, okay, here we go. So let's get that keyed into there. Get this in there like such, and just hold it down for a second or two. There we go, that's in, nice and tight. Next is, what is next? Oh yes, it's this part here, the cage. And that's going to fit on there as well. So what am I going to do? I'm going to put it on here. So I'm going to put a bit on here, some around here, some bits and bobs around here. There we go. That's all I need. Don't need very much at all. Put some activator on, and then we're just going to slip that on there, hold it down. Sorry for my very shaky cam and things. I'm trying to give you the best I can with the equipment that I've got. So there we go. So that is that done. There is one more piece that fits on the front. Ba-bam, as you can see, which is a different variant. Again, let me grab the variant 1. As you can see, they are quite different. I'll turn it around. There we go. You can see they are quite different. There we go, let me get in there so you can see they're quite different. So let's move that across there. Right, okay, so let's get that glued in, and then we'll stand that up. We only need a bit here. Now, as I say, I can create channels for LED lights and things. If you wanted a blue translucent dome at the front here, which I believe they did have, I can certainly print that out. Helps if you put some activator on, doesn't it? I can certainly print that out in much the same as I have done here with this red translucent material. I can do the same here. Just reach out to me. my email address, harrison@harrisondavies.com. You can certainly send me a message on Etsy, on Cults3D as well. All right, so we're going to continue on, and we're going to add this handle section. And it's really simply put together. Like so. Just adding a bit here and there. And again, where am I going to put that again? Yeah, I'm just going to put that there. Sorry, I'm just thinking where to put things. Put the glue, because I've not actually glued this together before. Obviously dried fit, as you do when you're testing. Right, okay, let's pop a bit of activator in. And just hold that there for a little moment. What you'll see, the differences are that, you know, there's quite a few differences. But the screw heads on the version 1 are Phillips screws, but these ones are hex. So, you know, there are differences within these models, screen used models. And these are all based on the actual screen used models. So we're going to move on. We're going to put the central rod in. Now it does go only one way. Yeah, just that way. Oh. Do I put a bit there? Yeah, okay. Sorry, just hiding where to put stuff. So yeah, are you a fan of Doctor Who? Do you love Doctor Who? I'd love to know what you think of this model. You know, please leave a comment. You know, just let me know what you think. Okay, so just pop that in there. Allow that to settle. Yeah, already dry within seconds. It's amazing, this activator stuff. Right, okay, so I've got this little nubbin, much like the last video. Just going to put that. It's just a thing that you're probably never going to see, so I'm just going to put it at the bottom, out of the way. There we go. So just add that little nubbin in there. Oh, sorry, I keep going off because I can't really see what I'm doing a lot. There we go. So that fits on the bottom. Right. Let us. What's the best way to do this? Do I think? Right. Okay. So that one. These are keyed again, so they only sort of go one way. Let me see now. That way or that way? Which looks better to me? I think that way looks better. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to put the glue on this part. Hope you can see what I'm doing. I do apologise if you can't. I think the end results speak for themselves. Okay, so pop that in there like so. Hold it on nice and straight if I can. I'll let it dry. Gosh, it dries so quickly, doesn't it? There we go. And we'll just check the fit on this, so it only goes one way. How is it best to get that? Get that, and get that. Yeah, so that's going to fit nicely. Keyed again, so that they only go one way. Let's get some glue in there. Some in there, some in there, a little bit around there. And I would say this is almost done. Really happy with these designs. They've really come out well, and a lot of work has gone into them, making sure that they're as perfect as I can make them. I'm just going to let that settle for a second, and there we go. Variant 2. Look at that. We can have a... Look at that. Both together. I think they're really cool, and I think somebody's going to be very happy getting these designs. As I say, if you haven't got a 3D printer and you want this, I will print them for you as well. There are obviously lead times. I only have one printer, so you know, you might need to wait a few days, but you know, if you want it, I will make them available reasonably priced. And if you want something bespoke, as I say, I can certainly create channels, add places to put batteries in, things to power any sort of lighting that you want to put in. If you want a blue translucent dome in the top as well, I can certainly print that out as well. I'll have to get some translucent blue, of course, but I can do that. yeah, so just reach out to me. Let me know what you think in the comments. Share, like, subscribe, all the usual. And it's really nice to have you here and follow along my design process. And I hope that the customer of these, who wants the first test ones, so lucky him, I hope he really likes them. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and have yourself a good day.